Welcome to Joey's Curiosity. Think competitive math for high schoolers is just about grinding through endless, painful calculus equations? Think again. In this video, we are breaking a massive visual illusion from the Math Kangaroo Level 9-10 competition using pure spatial logic, creativity, and a mind-bending mental math shortcut. Let's get right to the quiz. Joey is exploring a magical maze shaped like a rectangle that is 20 meters long, width, and 15 meters wide, height. Joey needs to walk from the start at the top left corner to the finish at the bottom right corner. He can only walk east, right, and south, down. The thick lines show 3 different paths. The lengths of the paths are A, B, and C, as shown. Which of the following statements about the lengths of the paths is true? A. Path A is the longest. B. Path C is the shortest. C. Path B is longer than Path A, but shorter than Path C. D. Path A, Path B, and Path C are all the exact same length. This is the brief on the geometry of rectangular paths. Let's dive right into Joey's magical maze to see how our visual instincts can easily trick us, and how a simple mental math shortcut completely breaks the illusion. First, the setup. So imagine a rat named Joey in a rectangular maze that's 20 meters long by 15 meters wide. He's moving from the top left to the bottom right corner and can only walk east and south. He has 3 choices: Path A, walking the outside edges, Path B, taking 4 large zigzag steps, and Path C, taking 50 tiny rapid zigzag steps. So does taking 50 tiny zigzags actually add to your total distance compared to just walking the edges? Second, get ready for a wild twist. Path A, Path B, and Path C are literally the exact same length. I know, no way, right? Our brains are naturally wired to think more turns equals more distance, but it's a complete visual illusion. Finally, if your brain is rejecting that answer, here's the sliding logic mental math to prove it without measuring every step. Every eastward step contributes only to the rectangle's width, and every southward step contributes only to its height. Imagine literally sliding all those horizontal zigzag steps straight up to the ceiling. They perfectly equal the 20-meter width. Slide the vertical steps to the right wall, and they perfectly equal the 15-meter height. So mental math tells us every path is exactly 35 meters. The number of steps entirely doesn't matter. So the next time you're navigating a grid, remember that no matter how many times you zigzag, the math stays exactly the same.
Thanks for watching. We have a lot of exciting content coming up, so make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Don't forget to like and comment to let me know you're here. See you in the next one.